JLP just won, but can they really deliver on tax cuts and doubling the minimum wage?
We shall see.
Let's break it down. They promised to cut income tax from 25% down to 15%. Can that work? Maybe. But the truth is, the people who benefit most are middle and high earners. Poor Jamaicans won't feel much difference, and if government revenue drops too fast, services like healthcare and schools could suffer. For seniors 65 and older, they want to remove income tax on earnings up to $6 million. That's possible, but it mostly helps retirees with big pensions or investments, not the poorer seniors who already don't pay much tax. And what about doubling the minimum wage from $16,000 to $32,000 per week? Sounds good, but here's the problem. Small businesses may not afford it. That could mean higher prices, fewer jobs, or shorter hours. Big companies can manage, but the little man might struggle. So, will it work? Some Jamaicans will benefit, but not everyone. These promises are real, but not all will feel them the same. Do you think JLP's plan will make life better for most Jamaicans or just a few? Comment below.